In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove access from Google Sheets, updated for 2023. Whether you're managing a small team or working on a personal project, there are always situations where you might need to revoke access to a document. This instruction guide will walk you through the process, ensuring that your document remains secure by allowing only the right people to view or edit it. First, let's begin by opening Google Sheets. You can either go directly to sheets.google.com or access it via your Google Drive if you've already got your document there. Once you're logged in and on the Start page, open the specific Google Sheet from which you want to remove access. Make sure that the sheet you're opening is the one you intend to manage, because making changes to the wrong file can lead to unwanted access to sensitive data. Now that you've got your document open, the next step is to locate the Share button. You'll find this in the upper right corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to managing permissions. Click on it, and you will see a list of users who currently have access to your sheet. If many people have shared access, it might take a moment for everything to load. Once the sharing settings are open, you'll see a list of people the sheet has been shared with. Each person will have a designation such as viewer, commenter, or editor. To proceed, click on the role of the person whose access you would like to adjust, marked as editor if they have editing permissions, for example. You'll now notice an option labeled Remove Access. In this context, removing access can be crucial, especially if a team member leaves a project or a temporary collaborator is no longer part of the task. When you click on it, the individual's association with that particular document will be halted. They will no longer be able to see or modify this Google Sheet, ensuring that data remains confidential and only accessible to those you trust. Finally, remember to click Save after making your changes. This ensures that Google Sheets registers your updates, effectively revoking access and preventing any unauthorized edits or views from the removed users. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed the sharing settings of your Google Sheet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing digital tools efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.